How are millions of fruitcakes made in a mega factory? The journey begins with ingredients that read like a culinary treasure map. Candied cherries from Mediterranean orchards, glacé fruits picked at perfect ripeness, nuts sourced from remote mountain regions. Each ingredient tells a story, a global adventure compressed into one compact cake. But here's a secret most people don't know. Fruitcake isn't just a dessert. It's a historical artifact. These cakes have survived wars, crossed oceans, and remained edible for decades. Some fruitcakes have been known to last over 25 years without spoiling. The ingredient selection process is like a military operation. Each nut, each fruit goes through rigorous quality checks. Machines with laser-precise sensors detect even the tiniest imperfection. A single subpar raisin? Rejected. A slightly bruised cherry? Not a chance. Beyond its culinary complexity, the fruitcake has a surprising nutritional profile that makes it more than just a festive treat. Packed with dried fruits, nuts, and often fortified with spirits, a single slice of fruitcake can provide a dense nutritional punch. These cakes were historically important survival foods for sailors and travelers, offering a compact, calorie-rich meal that could sustain explorers during long travels. The mixing process. It's not just stirring ingredients. It's a complex choreography of temperatures, mixing speeds, and ingredient ratios. Industrial mixers rotate at exact angles, ensuring each fruit, each nut is perfectly coated. The mixers are so advanced that they can detect changes in batter consistency down to microscopic levels. Here's a wild fact that'll blow your mind. The average fruitcake contains more alcohol than some light beers. Rum, brandy, and whiskey aren't just flavors, they're preservation agents. These spirits help the cake stay moist and prevent bacterial growth. Some traditional recipes use so much alcohol, the cake could technically be classified as a boozy dessert. The baking process? Pure magic. Massive industrial ovens that look like they could launch spacecraft are calibrated to create the perfect environment. Temperature variations of even 1 degree can change the entire cake's texture. These aren't just ovens, they're precision scientific chambers. Most people don't realize fruitcakes are actually an engineering marvel. The dense structure, the way fruits are suspended without sinking, the perfect moisture balance, it's more complicated than building a bridge. Preservation. These cakes are built to survive. Commercial fruitcakes are wrapped in multiple protective layers that could probably withstand a minor apocalypse. Vacuum-sealed packaging, moisture-resistant materials, protective coatings, it's like each cake is wearing a high-tech armor. Some fruitcake factories have lines so advanced they can package a cake every 2 seconds. That's faster than you can say Merry Christmas. But it's not just about quantity. Each cake goes through multiple quality checks. Trained experts examine color, texture, fruit distribution, and overall appearance. Want in on a mind-blowing fact? The most expensive fruitcake in the world cost over $1.65 million. Made with rare ingredients, precious metals, and presented in a jewel-encrusted box, it's less a cake and more a work of art. Also, different cultures have their own fruitcake traditions. German stollen, British Christmas cake, Caribbean black cake, each with unique ingredients, each telling a story of its homeland. These aren't just cakes. They're ambassadors of culture, wrapped in sweet, dense packages. Modern fruitcake factories are powerhouses. They've developed techniques to reduce waste, optimize energy use, and create eco-friendly packaging. Some factories now use fruit remnants for animal feed, creating a zero-waste production cycle. And the machinery? It's like something from a sci-fi movie. Robotic arms that move with surgical precision. Sensors that can detect a single misplaced fruit. Computer systems that track every single cake from raw ingredient to final packaging. Well, you see, a fruitcake megafactory never sleeps, and a single factory can produce over 50,000 cakes daily, each one a perfect blend of art and science.